It's a 2009 Forester. We changed the door out same color because the door had damage, but it has a chrome handle on one and not on this one, so we're going to change the handles on here. If you look back here, there's a little circle rubber piece. You get like a pick, just slide it behind it and pull it out. And most Subarus come with one of these T30 Torx for your roof racks. There's a little T30 spot in here. Put it in there and loosen it. You don't have to worry about the bolt falling out because it won't fall out. And then the bolt that goes into here is a T30. It goes in from here, and it's got a little carrier so that the bolt will never fall out. Once you pull this out, just pull out and slide. That's it. It comes out really easy. And we're putting the chrome handle back in it, going straight like this. You can kind of see it. It will, if you wiggle it back and forth, it will fall into place. And all you gotta do is see this chrome, and here's the black one. Same thing. This one just pops right in. Don't have to worry about this bolt. It doesn't fall out. Hold it so that doesn't fall. And then T30 bolt back here. Just tighten it. Snug. And put the cap back on. And that's it. A functional door handle.